Hey everybody, got the new Heritage High Number Baseball 2018, the update to the Heritage set right here. Just got back from Target and Walmart. They were out on the shelf. I got 3 blasters from the store today. I'm gonna hit you with a lot of this Heritage High Number this week and into next week probably. I got 6 blasters coming from Walmart. I got 8 of the big box 35 cards. I got a case of these, which is 8 of those coming from Walmart. I ordered those yesterday. Those are up on their website. If you don't want to run around to the stores, you can find the blasters and the hanger packs on Walmart's website right now. Right now, we're going to get these. I got these 3 blasters from Target. I already took the plastic off them, so you don't have to see me wrestle with that. I'm excited to get into these, so let's see what we got. There's 8 packs in each one of these boxes. See beautiful packaging here. So we'll set these back here and get into the first pack I've opened of Heritage High Number this year. And oh, that's not a good start. Look at that. You don't want to see that. It's kind of discouraging. Of course, if we're chasing the rookies, this is the set that's got all of the hot rookies that we've all been waiting for this year. Acuna Ohtani's got a rookie in it this year. Of course, all the variations, the nicknames, the team name, color differences, all the variations are back in this series. And what they've done this year, there's an Induhar insert, is they've gone to labeling the variations on the back of the card. Hopefully we'll get some in here, but from what I've seen, they've labeled the variation right here under the number for all these, so you don't have to try and chase down the little code down here. Get your magnifying glasses out and try to get that. The last 25 cards in the set are high numbers. There's not, I checked out the checklist. There's no rookies in the high number series this year. I don't know, probably the best names was Ichiro and JD Martinez. So those are 1 in 3 packs for those. Here we got a chrome Brandon Morrow. Of course, these are going to be numbered. These are just the base chrome inserts. These are numbered to 999. Those are always good-looking cards. Miles Michaelis, that's I think one of his first rookie cards. Scherzer insert. I'm gonna have to check the numbers. I forget what the number. I think it's, well, I don't know. I'm not sure. I just know the last 25 cards are short printed. They're supposed to be 1 in 3 packs. Yeah, these are 1 in 3 packs for the short print. So probably may have already missed one of the short prints. There's the odds on there. Chrome, just the base chrome is 1 in 42 packs on these, so production is definitely up on this product, needless to say. Just like chrome, like they're still restocking Topps Chrome, which is crazy. Last year, I don't know if I even saw a restock after there's a Gurriel rookie after the initial shipment was sent out. It's going to be a pretty good one, I think. Of course, they're celebrating 69 Mets in this series. I've seen a couple of, well, I've seen one autograph pulled out of this from the Mets, 69 Mets there. And there's another right, fresh out of the pack in a blaster box too. You don't really see this too much out of a blaster box, so I don't know if this was tops or this has to have been something done with at the plant or wherever they package the cards, because there wasn't a chance for anybody to get their hands on them. Austin Gomber rookie. Buster Posey. This is retail only. Insert right here this year. And there's a couple of retail exclusive inserts in here this year. Willie Adams, rookie. Now and then insert. Austin Meadows, rookie. Wow, they're still putting out Colby Rasmus cards. That's interesting. He quit, basically, I think retired from the game, like beginning of the season. Okay, there you go. There's the first blaster. Didn't hit any of the big rookies out of that one. Not too eventful out of that. So let's try this one here and see what we get. Jordan Hicks, rookie. I think that's one of the high numbers. I think it's 701 to 725 is the high number cards. So I'm sure I missed a couple of them out of that first box, but now after seeing that one, I'm pretty sure it's 701 to 725. Rookie performers. Always kind of like these inserts, the rookie performers. Those are pretty nice looking. Victor Caratini rookie. There's an insert. There we go. There's an official rookie. He had a card in the first series, and it was a super short printed. And this is a really nice looking one. Nice centering and everything. I've seen a lot of centering issues on this product so far this year. So Ohtani, he's still smashing the ball. Man, just as a hitter alone, this guy is tearing it up. Here's one of the inserts, the teammate sort of insert. Here's a hot card for the Cubs fans this year. David Bodie. There we go. That's what we're looking for. See, that's what I mean with the centering. You can tell on this one. Look at that top to bottom. But, man, that's still a good-looking card. One of the hottest rookies in the game. Acuna. Fellow collector, Pat Neshek. I got a hobby box of this coming too. I don't know if I mentioned that. I've got a hobby box of this coming, along with the rest of the retail. I got a few fat packs. I'm going to do another video after this one. I got a couple of hangers and a few fat packs from Walmart. I'll do a quick one on that. But I'm planning on doing all of this on video, so you guys will probably get sick of this product by then. But hey, I'm going to do it anyway. There's a short print. I remember seeing his name on the list. JD Martinez. That's probably the best player on the short print list anyway. I personally wouldn't have minded, especially the 1 in 3 packs, if they did the big rookies on the short print. Kind of just give them a little more desirability. Pudge Rodriguez, his son. I mean, still you're able to get them. There's a Torres rookie and a Kingery rookie. Set is packed with a bunch of rookies, a bunch of good rookies. That's a Gleyber retail exclusive rookie insert. Mookie Betts insert. Retail autographs and relics are just about impossible to pull out of these. I mean, an autograph out of just one of these retail packs, 1 in 412. So it's going to be tough to get it. All right, simple as that. A relic, just a simple jersey card, 1 in 62. Okay, that's that. Well, at least we got Ohtani and Acuna out of that. We're still probably in the hole on these. We got 1 chrome insert. There's another Munoz, so this is probably going to be a box similar to the last one. Rosario rookie performers. Just for the sake of time, I'm not listing off all of the players. There's 72 cards in each one of these boxes, so I'm giving you a quick look at least at most of them. Hosmer short print. Tyler O'Neill, I think that might be one of his first rookie logos. There's George Springer, World Series MVP. There's our first decal edge. Jordan Hicks. I remember last year everyone was pulling these out and thinking they had got an autograph card. They were posting online about how they pulled autos, because it does kind of look like an autograph, like an authentic autograph with the blue ink on there, but it's just printed on facsimiles. Syndergaard insert. Joe Mauer insert. Okay, down to 2 packs. Here we go. Torres. Gleyber rookie. Uh-oh, here we go. Freddie Freeman and Acuna insert. All right, last pack. Soroka rookie. Yeah, that's a short print high number. Okay, that's it. I think it's our 2 best hits, or 2 base cards. Off center Acuna and Ohtani. But don't worry, we got a whole lot of mo to go through on this Heritage High numbers. Thanks for watching this video. There's going to be more coming out in the next couple of days. Stick with me. Let's keep ripping this product. There's a lot of good stuff in this product this year. I love it. Thank you so much for watching.